Guys, I've just left Salvador do Mundo and right now I'm heading to Penha de Franca. Good morning guys, welcome or welcome back to our channel. I'm Gavin and you wanted to see Goa and the monsoons. And there you go. I have this beautiful village of Penha de Franca coming up for you. And if you watched the last video from Salvador do Mundo, it looked fantastic. Like, as I keep saying, Goa during the monsoons is a totally different vibe altogether, and riding through these narrow lanes for me as well, it is so damn gorgeous. And the best part is, because it's not very hot, I can go really long rides. Alright, so what we're going to do now is, I've checked the maps. This is my first time as well exploring this area, but I do know that this road straight will take me towards Bethi. On the right here was water bank. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm noticing that this village has a mix of both the old and new structures, which is nice to see, because obviously when any village or any place develops, they need to maintain the old structures as well, because that's the only way to let the future generations know about the history, right? So it's so damn important to preserve all of this. And along with that, as I always keep mentioning in my videos, nature is very important, guys. The reason why the summers in Goa were not as bad as the summers in North India or some other places is because there's still some greenery here. And even in places like Kerala, the temperatures were, they did have a heat wave, but it was comparatively, it was quite okay. Anyway, so you guys get the point, right? We do need nature to survive, and we do need nature for oxygen. And as you can see here, it is beautiful, except these little potholes that I'm getting on the way. It was pouring, guys. It was raining cats and dogs, literally raining cats and dogs. And right now it's drizzling as well, so I'm using my DJI action camera. And in the video it might look like I'm going on a roller coaster, because I did watch my previous video from Anjuna. But yeah, because the other one has a gimbal, that is more stable. But I hope you guys are enjoying this video as well. For you guys, it's like, you know, you're watching this video and probably even you feel like you're going on a roller coaster ride. Wow. And on the left here is the river, Virlosa Vado. Okay, so we've just crossed Virlosa Vado. The ride has been really beautiful, guys. And before this I was in Salvador do Mundo. Beautiful area. The wetlands area is fantastic. I really love the ride over there. This side, dogs and rats and pigeons. But anyway, this side as well, the ride so far has been quite okay. Look at this church of the left, Penha de Franca church ground. Okay, this is Penha de Franca church ground. Can we go inside? No, sadly not. But what a view they have of the river. And we've come here, yes, we've come here for many weddings. And Penha de Franca open air hall, yes, we've come here for many weddings. Very nice location for weddings. But the only drawback is during the rainy season, because it's an open air venue. During the rainy season it can get a bit messed up. So yeah, if you're planning to have weddings over here, please check accordingly. But it's a fantastic venue. It's a river touching venue, so in the evenings as well it's very nice. I can only imagine during the afternoons as well. If you're planning to have an afternoon wedding, it will look great. Yacht Club Goa, and that there in the distance, as you can see here, the pillar, that is the Atal Setu pillar. So yes, I was on the right road, and this road will straight will take me directly towards Beti. We did make a video on the Beti fish market. If you haven't watched that, I would highly recommend you do, because the fish there are comparatively cheaper as compared to other places. And yes, we did get some decent fresh fish as well, although I have received comments that the fish is not good and it's from the ice and all of that, but when I ate it, I liked it. Right now, yeah, there is a fishing ban that is imposed from the 1st of June, so these days you can definitely not expect fresh fish. If you do know any places, please let me know. I need to start going fishing to have some fresh fish at home, because in the market we didn't find a lot of variety. You get the regular ones like mullet and all those fish that you can catch near the shore. Okay, so on the right here, this road goes towards Panjim, and this straight road will take us to so many places. We'll pass by Vere, we can go all the way to Kandolim, Kalangur. Yeah, so this is the straight road, and this road is messed up most of the that was the SL World moment. If you guys know what I'm talking about, people from Mumbai definitely know. I wonder what's happened to that place. It was such a fun place. And yes, I would be excited to go to a water park here in Goa as well. One of my friends named Ryan, he did post a video on his channel. I watched that and it looked pretty interesting. I think it was Aqua World, the name. I don't really remember, but yeah. Thanks to Google, we can get a lot of information online. Hopefully someday. Anyway, and yesterday I played football in the rain for the first time, guys. It was, for a while it was pouring like 5-10 minutes, but it was fun. Monsoons are great, are awesome in Goa. And those of you who think that Goa is happening only during the season time, you are highly mistaken. Monsoon is a feeling, it's a different feeling. And summer also, if you know the right ways to enjoy summer, like if you can get to the hills, and during summer you get so many different things to eat, like mangoes, jackfruit, cashews. So yeah, it totally depends upon your mindset and how you deal with the seasons. But praise God and thank God for every season. Every season is beautiful. It totally depends upon how you take things, right? Anyway, again, narrow roads, and there's two-way traffic on these roads as well, but the roads are a bit messed up on this stretch. I know these roads very well because we created so many videos in Panjim. We've gone to Panjim so many times. So I've gotten so used to this road. Look at this car, Mahindra Batman Edition. It looks fantastic. I wonder what people's reviews are of this car. But yeah, it looks so damn good, and it's a huge car. Wow. The weather is perfect, even if the sun is coming out, and I'm wearing a raincoat now, by the way. I'm not feeling hot. This side, yeah, there's always some jam. Now we are back on the road, and yeah, there was traffic there, so that bit was a bit boring. But right now I have some interesting places to show you guys ahead as well. We are going to get a really nice view of the ocean on the left, so please keep an eye on the left. So this here on the left is the Mandvi river, and across the river is Panjim. You must have got a glimpse of that, but there's going to be an opening there ahead, and that's where you'll get a very clear view. If you guys are enjoying these videos, if you want to support our channel, guys, please like, share and subscribe. It's very, very important for us to grow our channel, and if I have to come up with more videos like these, I really need your support, guys. And if you can become a member, that would be amazing. Our videos are free and will be free for everyone. That is my promise. No matter how big this channel grows, all the videos are going to be free for everyone. But when you support our channel, when you take a small membership, it costs like around 80 rupees or something for a month. It really supports us with fuel, and it supports us financially, because this is what I do for a living. So yeah, if you can support us that way, that would be very helpful for us. Anyway, on the left and right here are some very nice places. This area is called Vere, and it still falls under Bardes. And those of you who don't know, who are new to our channel, or what happened to my camera, or who are new to our videos, Bardes is in North Goa. And I just saw some water splash. Look at this view, guys, look at this view. So the sea is very rough right now, because it's been raining cats and dogs literally since morning. Unfortunately, in Kalangut we don't have very heavy rainfall. I don't know what happened. Look at this guy, how he went. Anyway, you have to be extra cautious when you're riding. So yeah, what I was saying is, in Kalangut, from what I know, because you know there's always a lot of wind and everything, because we are close to the sea, we don't get very heavy rainfall. I guess that is the reason, because the clouds move inwards. But in Salvador though, it was pouring, guys, literally pouring. I was just hoping it kept raining heavily, because I really wanted to test this camera in heavy rainfall. Look at this bull here. But yeah, it stopped raining. Anyway, we have the entire monsoon season ahead of us, and we have a lot of places to cover, guys. Goa is, although it is the tiniest state in India, it is full of places, of excellent places that you can visit. You know, people, tourists especially, you guys must be knowing only Kalangut, Kandolim and Baga, and some beaches, the famous ones. But really, if you go to the rural areas of Goa, it is absolutely gorgeous. Guys, if you are in Goa, please do not drink and drive or ride. It's very important, because if you see the news, I keep repeating this time and again, the news on accidents is not very pleasant to watch, and it's really bad for, you know, people who come across these unpleasant or unexpected experiences. I really hope and pray that everybody is safe on the road. Please guys, do not drink and drive. Most of the accidents that are caused are involving tourists and rent-a-cars. So please, when you are renting a car, when you are renting a bike, please note that first of all you have to give it back, and you don't want to be in a situation where you are at the police station and worst case scenario, you've done harm to somebody else. So yeah, it's very important. Under the influence of alcohol, everybody forgets all these things. So if you had too much, just don't be behind the wheel. I know it's common sense, but after drinking a lot, people forget that. Just do not ride or drive. Ask a friend or someone else, or take a cab or take the public transport. Please do not drink and drive. I can see a lot of people in saris, and many of them are near the temples, near the banyan tree, having some sort of puja. I don't know what is the occasion today. If you guys know, please let us know in the comments. And right now, as you can see, the sun is out. Again, we are back on the road where there is a little bit of traffic almost every time. But just a little bit ahead, we have the Nerul Bridge coming up. Here as well, there's a small fish market. I don't know, every time I pass by, I see people selling fish. Right now it's too late probably, but if you got fish from this area, please let me know like what your experience is. I don't think they will be as cheap as Delhi. Yeah, here, vegetable and fish market. Okay, now we are going to get on the Nerul bridge, and I'm going to go a bit slowly because I like to ride on this bridge. On the right is the church that we captured in our previous videos, the hill behind that. And there's water that is collected almost everywhere. So there's a promenade, that's the right word, or something that is, sorry, my camera moved a little bit, yeah. Something that the government has made here for a walk. I saw that in the news recently. That will be interesting once that's officially open. I don't know if it's open, but I would really like to visit and show you guys what's there over there. Okay, so now this road straight will take us towards Kandolip. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this one. Until the next one, take care, stay safe and stay positive.